Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Zip Mortgage account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in amigybank.com/personal/landing/zip-mortgage. Then press enter and you will be taken into the official Zip Mortgage page for Amagi Bank. Now from the home page, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and then choose Personal Mortgage and you will be taken into the login portal. Just type in your username that you have set up while creating your account within the username box and then type in your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged in to your Zip Mortgage account with Amagi right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Need Help option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your mortgage account on Zip Mortgage by Amagi. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.